What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping back by the channel. Hey, and I know it's been a real minute since I have done any car care videos or car maintenance or car modifications, so I think it's about time we do one. So the wife and I are going to get together today. We're going to clean this, clean our Camaro. And I don't know if you can really tell it and do it justice, but the reason I haven't been doing many videos lately is because we don't have a garage anymore. We moved, and car unfortunately sits outside a lot, so I can't keep it in the garage and keep it as pristine as what I want to. So it's been kind of neglected. So we're going to wash it today, and we're going to use some stuff called some stuff from the chemical guys, and I guess you can walk around the car and you can see how really dirty it is. I think the camera will, do it justice. But my cars don't normally stay like this, but staying as busy. You see, look this crap drops out of the trees and just gets all over the car. So she's in bad need of some tender loving care. So we're going to do a little bit of work on her today and see if we can't get it back into shape. Oh, but let me show you. We're just gonna wash like we normally would, but I'm going to use some stuff from chemical guys on an area with my orbital polisher and see, where did I put it? See if how it works. Sorry, I couldn't find where I put it. The P4 Precision Perfection Paint polish. And we're going to see if we can bring the paint back on the Camaro, because it is really looking on the dull side. So we're going to use that, and hopefully it'll turn out pretty good. I don't know, I've never used it before. And by the way, we're not sponsored by chemical guys, and they have not. I spent my own money on the polish. They have no affiliation with us whatsoever. So I'm gonna go get the Filipina. We're gonna get started washing and see how this all turns out. So stick with us. Oh, Filipina, where are we? Oh, wait. We're in front of the mirror.
No.
Imagine that, being in front of the mirror. The Filipina's never in front of the mirror.
Don't you?
All right, I'm gonna have to run her out of the house to get her to come out and help me. So she's can't go anywhere unless she's presentable, even if it is just washing the car.
Yeah, I'm going to wash the car.
Anyway, let's get at it.
Ay, the towel.
We've got the car clean. Like I say, nothing special on the wash. Just did a quick wash, and you can still see that the Well, I hope you can see. I don't know how good the camera's doing, but you can see the paint, although it's clean, it just lacks any luster about it. It looks like it's flat. And this car is a moss. It looks black, but it's actually a deep dark green. It has a lot of metal flake as far as gold, blues, and yellows, and none of that is popping right now. Very dull looking. So we're going to try the Chemical Guys polish with my orbital buffer and see what it does. So let's get at it. And it's hot out here. Don't you think it's hot out here, love? She's back to not talking again. Oh, I can't talk. I'm in front of the camera. Now we got to do a little inside cleaning. I forgot about that. And got to clean the Husky mats. If you remember, I did a video on this a couple of years ago, Husky versus WeatherTech, and it was a fantastic outpouring of people that watched this particular video. You should check it out. I'll link it either at the end of this video or somewhere up here. But anyway, check out my video. I prefer the Husky mats over the WeatherTech, just for the simple reason of the material and the way they feel and the slickness that, you know, your foot sliding on the mat when you get in the car. So they're both good. I just prefer the Husky. So check out that video. And the Filipina's getting tired. I think she's got a headache coming on. But she's vacuuming for me. And as soon as she gets done with that, I'm gonna scrub these mats off and get them back on the bushes for drying. And then I'm gonna start with the wax. I'm sorry, not wax, polish. All right, I'm gonna work on the hood here, and we're going to use, like I say, nothing special, just my Walmart brand orbital polisher, nothing special. And we're going to be using the Chemical Guys P4 Precision Paint Perfection Polish. And I'm going to see what this does. I'm not going to bore you with doing the whole car, but I'm going to work on this hood right here. Car's been in the shade, so we're not out in direct sunlight. That would be bad. So I'm going to get started and see. I'm going to do an area. We're going to compare it, see what it looks like. And like I say, I'm not going to make this video super long, but I'll try to put something on at the end of the video to show you what the car looks like when I'm finished. But let's get at it. All right, I'm going to apply 4 drops to this clean polish head. And we're going to put this on. Wait a minute, and then I'll put take another polish head and take it off. So we're going to get started. All right, I put it right there in the middle, and just so we can get a comparison, put on a clean polished head, and we'll see how it looks. And if we don't get a great result, I'm not going to waste my time and do the whole car.
All right.
So
It's like water.
Well, it's kind of hard to tell. Can you see any difference? Well, I'll do the whole panel and we'll try to compare it to the other side over here. It's probably because we're here in the shade, but it did take out the water spots, so that was an improvement. I know you probably can't tell it on the camera, but
Yeah.
there's a little difference. So we'll move a little further and see what happens.
Yeah. The whole part we need to do.
Yeah, it's, you know, I don't mind cleaning other people's cars, but when it comes to doing my own, I like to be so particular, and I get lazy because I know it's going to take a lot for me to get it done.
I think you have to do it a lot of times. Yeah.
Well, let's hope not.
You can see them all.
Alright, looks like I finished just in time for a storm to come up, you know. It's always the way it works. Excuse me, I am soaking wet. It is right hot out here. Alright, well here's the car after the product. Does it polish? Yes. Does it remove light swirl marks and water spots? Yes. But I'm really not going to recommend this product, and here's why. I always try to give you my honest opinions, and it says Precision Paint Perfection Polish. Alright. It says Show Car Shine and Gloss removes light swirls and defects for use by hand or machine. Well, if I was going to use this product, and I did it with both hand and with the machine, I like it better with it by hand, because it is unusually thick and it does not dry easy, and it is not easy to remove. It is very, how can I say? I don't really know the word I'm looking for. It's not easy to remove. And when I say that, it tends to stay wet. And when you go to remove it, you have to put a lot of elbow grease and a lot of quick back and forth motion to get the product to polish. I have used other polishes that work far easier than this, and it's far easier to remove. Also, I've used other polishes that leave the vehicle slick. Like when you take your towel and you throw it across the hood, it'll slide all the way across. This product does not. This product leaves the finish very dry, hard. It doesn't. You don't have any glide to the paint at all. And if you hit any spots with it, you can see. I don't know if you can see that there, like right here. I'm going to have to go back and scrub even more to try to get that off. And what it is, it's product. Let's see right here some. I don't know if you can see that or not. But all in all, is it okay for a cheap polish from Walmart? Yeah, but there's also some other cheap polishes from Walmart that I would use before I use this again. So P4, I would have to say I am a thumbs down on the P4. Sorry if some of you guys like it. Everybody has their own preference. Somebody, you know, some people might have a better experience with it than what I did, but for my vehicle, I've had a lot better success with other polishes that I've had to do far less work to get the same or better results. So that's my thoughts on that. I appreciate you guys watching. I always try to tell you the truth about a product and not try to sell anything, because I buy all my products myself and no one sponsors my channel. Wife has already ran off and jumped in the shower because she was soaking wet, and as you can probably tell from my shirt, I'm gonna need a shower too. So guys, that's going to bring this video to a close. Please check out some of our other videos here on our channel. We are definitely trying to grow and give you more content as it comes available. Oh look, the Filipina has come out of the house. She is all showered up now and got her clothes changed. So guys, with all that being said, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've used this product and what you think about it. And in the meantime, I'll be trying to figure out new videos and new places we can go and get you guys some content. So thanks for watching. Appreciate the comments and the likes. Hit that subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. You want me to take a picture beside the car? I gotta do a thumbnail. Close that door for me. Over out of the way. Unless you want to be in the picture.